Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at the Rpod RP202. So this is the super popular Rpod, which is best in class in the small travel trailer category. This is the all-new 202, which actually is 2 axles. It's a little bit longer at 25 feet long and about 4,500 pounds. What's super unique about it is the egg-shaped design, but not only that, right here is an awesome windshield. Give me a second. Right here, where the master bed is, you have a Euro-style window, which is absolutely fantastic. You have your privacy blinds and your daytime blinds, but the amount of natural light and wind and air that it allows in here is absolutely fantastic. Best feature about the Rpod by far. Not only that, on the outside they do use Asdel, which is a green-based material. Come on the inside so we can show you more. Inside, you can see this is a great floor plan design. We're actually going to start back here. Nice rear kitchen, good countertops, plenty of storage, plenty of head height in here for such a small travel trailer. Refrigerator, there is storage behind this TV, entertainment center, and fireplace. Very, very nice. Then directly across from the entertainment center is a sofa. What I love about this floor plan, so many brands try to cram in a sofa and a dinette. Not needed. Give me the sofa, give me a great sofa placement. We can worry about the dinette later. Coming on through here, actually a pretty good sized shower, plastic toilet. You guys know we don't like that, but we can switch it out for porcelain, and a sink area. And then look at this bedroom. Fully walk around bed, storage underneath the bed, countertops, and again, that front windshield is so awesome. It's letting so much air in here, and I love it. Best feature about this travel trailer. Great, so that was a quick little tour of the Forest River Rpod. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do us a huge favor, if you're interested in buying this unit and you want to learn more, click our link down below. A member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Or if you're still in the research stage and you want to see the full in-depth review of this, perfect. Check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables, and we have the full review going over the whole thing tip to tip. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time.